Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2009 Hyundai Azera. It has a 3.8-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include air conditioning with automatic climate control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted controls, a low tire pressure indicator, rear impact crumple zones, and this vehicle has fewer than 11,000 miles on the odometer. This Hyundai has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.